guys, welcome back to Cooking with TZ&C. So today we're going to be making jerk shrimp pasta. So we have here the penne pasta, and we're going to use in some sharp cheddar cheese. If you have mozzarella cheese, you can go ahead and use that, but this is a cheese that I prefer to use. We also have here some rainforest seafood shrimp. This is peeled and deveined. So these are the main ingredients that we're going to be using to make the pasta recipe. We're going to pour the rainforest seafood peeled and deveined shrimp into the bowl. And what we're going to be doing next is we're going to rinse the shrimp with some vinegar and water, or you can use vinegar or lime. So we're going to rinse the shrimp with some vinegar to reduce the rawness from the shrimp. Pour some vinegar in. And rinse them. We have tail, so it's tail on. You can get shrimp from your farmer's market or from your local grocery store. So you can purchase all these from your local grocery store. Then we're going to pour off the water. We're going to season the shrimp. So we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of Maggi all-purpose season. You can use the seasoning of your choice that you have readily accessible to you at the moment. We're also going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the salt based on your liking. And also just a touch of black pepper. Not a lot, guys. You don't need to add a lot of black pepper. Then we're going to add the Walker's Wood jerk seasoning. And we're going to add 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon is fine. And then we're going to rub in. So you're going to massage the seasoning. You can always go ahead and add your green season if you like as a substitute. I'm going to place a plastic wrap over it, and we're going to marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes. So for the vegetables, for the jerk shrimp, we're going to be using a piece of a bell pepper, both green and orange. We're also going to use in some tomato, onion, and scallion or green onions. So we're going to chop these into smaller pieces. Alright, so we're going to chop the scallion. I'll just be removing the seeds because we don't want the seeds. We're also going to be cutting our jerk shrimp pasta. Okay guys, so we're going to add some cooking oil to the frying pan on medium heat. And here we have our seasoned shrimp. Look at it guys, you can see the bubbles into the frying pan, into the oil. Yes guys, it is heated. And over here we have boiling water as we await to put our pasta in. So we're going to transfer the shrimp. As you can now see, the tails of the shrimp are now changing color. When you're cooking shrimp, it doesn't require a lot of time to cook shrimp. They are very easy to prepare. Smell the jerk seasoning. When you're preparing your shrimp, you can prepare them based on your liking, because some persons like their shrimp well done, others like them medium cooked. So you can always prepare your shrimp based on your liking. For me personally, I like my shrimp well done. Shall we just continue to turn them on opposite sides? Looking very lovely and delicious, guys. That jerk seasoning smells so lovely. A large or small family, you can always go ahead and adjust the amount of pasta. Of pasta, you can just pour in the entire box of pasta. Guys, it is bubbling. So we're going to now stir, and you're just going to leave them to boil until they are soft. Some people like their pasta soft, some people like it tender, not too soft and not too hard, just right. So this is how the pasta is looking. And I know pasta not take long to cook, so we now don't know what if a bag of cooking with pasta. As the water bubble up on it 2 times, it cook. No me at all. So pasta don't require a lot of time to cook. So it's almost done. Some people like their pasta looking like this, but we're going to leave it to cook a little bit more, so you can always go ahead and taste. Alright guys, so the pasta finished cooking, so we're going to pour the water off. So we have the jerk shrimp here, well ready to go. So we have here some minced garlic. We have our onions. We have our sweet pepper, tomatoes, scallion, and thyme. Guys, this is smelling so delicious. Flavor, so you just continue to toss, right? So this is looking so colorful, guys. So you now add that flavor, not only flavor but add some natural colors to our pasta, right? Cheddar cheese we're going to add to the pot. If you have mozzarella cheese, you can go ahead and add, but this is the cheese that I prefer using. Look at that, guys. Cheesy. Good. And this is the finished product, our jerk shrimp pasta using sharp cheddar cheese. I do hope you enjoy this video. If you do, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe.